Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fired Briar. I know I've been gone for a couple weeks. I was actually in Australia just on vacation. So I did take a picture of one of the tobacconist prices for some of the tobacco they had there. And I have to say the prices are completely ridiculous. A 50 gram tin of Aaron Moore is going for $78. Here's the picture so you can see. So you've got the Aaron Moore on the bottom left, and you can see they've got Amphora as well. A lot of over-the-counter blends, but nothing really interesting. So needless to say, I didn't buy anything, but it was interesting just to see how much the tobacco actually costs there because it's completely insane. Enough about Australia. I do want to talk about Dreams of Kadath by Cornell and Deal. So I had a couple people request for me to review Dreams of Kadath on the Speakeasy forum. Now, I did post the receipt showing that I did order the blend, and I did. However, there is a little bit of an issue. The issue is that the Dreams of Kadath went to my house while I was in Australia. It was charged duties and customs by the Canadian government. And then because I was not home to receive it, since I was on the other side of the world, they sent that package to the post office. Now, I had 15 calendar days to pick that up. But unfortunately, since I wasn't able to pick it up, they sent it back to Smoking Pipes. So I have already gone. I've ordered another tin of Dreams of Kadath. So it is coming. The review will be here. I said I was going to do it. I said I was going to order it. So I've gone ahead and ordered it again. It's going to take at least a week before it gets to me, but I will definitely get that review. So I do apologize. If you guys have any other blends that you want me to review, you can leave a comment and let me know, and I will make sure that I review that blend for you. So stay tuned, and until next time, keep your briar fired. Oh, and who doesn't like a picture of a kangaroo selfie?